All right, so you're welcome. Thank you so much, first of all, to Kudi Dynasty for letting me know about this app. I greatly appreciate you. I actually joined this app today, but ever since I found out about the app, I've not rested. So please, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, please give me a like. So here is what the app is all about and how you can use it, to earn money, because as you can see right here, I just earned my $2. Yes, and it can get better. So I want to explain to you how it works. Thank you so much. Congratulations if you are watching. So here are the interface. So right here, if I click here, it will show me message, where you click here to discover people, to see if people have liked whatever you posted, people that have followed you. Here is where you receive message. So the moment you come, one thing first of all you should know about the app is that you must be under agency before you'll be able to go live. Okay. So once you have signed up, ensure you screenshot or copy this ID and forward to your agent, because your agent is going to send you invitation, and you come and click on message. Okay, once this is where you will see to accept the invite that your agent have sent to you. So once you have received that invite, okay, and then you have signed up, you have put in your name, okay, and you input what about you. Like me, I just added 1 or 2 pictures and add this my ID, my intro. I just say anything I touch turns to gold. My career, I selected it. My emotional, I put it secret. So if you click yours, you will see all those things and you can add. Okay, and then this moment is for if you want to all upload a video or picture, because it's part of the tax as well. I'll get to that. So right here, if you click on this message, you see like this assistant is, that means the message that they are sending to me for the 2 tasks that I've done. Okay, so here are the official messages that will come in. Okay, and then the next thing, if you click right here, you discover people. Here are people that I follow. So here's the popular. If you want to discover more, this is what this is all about. So I will just click up here. All right, here is where you will see people that you can chat with, but the most important way you make money, you click on this live right here. So once you click on live, you click right here, okay, to go live. Okay, when you click here to go live, you should not laugh at me. I beg God, I beg God. See my face. Anyway, we are here to make the money. So right here, you can select how many seats you want to open. Here 4, here 6, or here 8. So I prefer this bigger one because I always have this mindset that I am big. All right, so the next thing, I'll just click on go live right here. Okay, you can also change the cover right here, but I don't do all that. My own is I'm here to make money. I'm not there for all this other stock. You can select either is for music or whatsoever. You select it right here, and then I will click on go live, and voila. That means here I am live streaming. So as you can see, if you come right here, okay, if you come right here, you can see this tax reward. The first one I did today that I joined, because I think a new day starts by 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I don't know where you're watching me from. So the first tax I was giving 7 tax, okay, but right now I can see 5. So yours, if you are new, you will see 1/5. So mine, I'm right here, I'm 1/7. So mine, I'm seeing 1/5. So if you click here, you will see how long you have stayed. But before we go in there, this, if you're on the Poppo app, you will know that this is almost the same thing. So here is for your game, okay, if you want to play a game. Here is for gifts, okay, if you want to do give. This is popular, this is lucky. If you want to gamble, this is fun. And then this is backpack. That means the rewards you get for some small tasks. These are the ones I do when I told you that I have 7 tasks. So I'm going to show you how to get this reward so that you can also use it to throw on people. Am I talking too fast? So let me just come to this reward, right? So while I'm here now, right now I am doing my tasks. Okay, if you scroll down, if I scroll down, you will see that this 60/60 will now start counting 0/60. So you have to do 2 hours. The first one you will receive 10,000 points, and the second one to 10,000 points, which is 120 minutes altogether. And you have 2 tasks. This one, Okay, this host task and the basic task. So the basic task, you have to join a party, and I'll show you how to do that in few moments. Okay, you have to publish a moment. You remember I said publish a moment, stay on a mic in a party room for 40, and I didn't see anything like crown seat, so because you can sit on any seat. For now, that's what I know. Remember, just as my sister said, Kudi, we are all here learning. Nobody should crucify me for this video. I'm just doing what I've learned just now. So if you appreciate me, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do so. The video is still going on. And if you have not subscribed to Kudi Dynasty, I beg, I'm going to link in the description of this video her channel, so that you also go and subscribe to her channel. It means a lot to me. So that being said, if I click right here now, as you can see, people are already joining my party and my mic is on. So if I want to close my mic, I will close my mic right here. If I want a phone monitor, I will click here. If I want to switch my camera to back view, it will show here. If I want to be chatting with people or replying to my messages, I will see it right here. So this video, I'm actually recording it for my YouTube channel. For those that are here watching me, please, so sorry. So that is what I know for now, and I'm going to be dropping more videos on this app, about this app. I'm going to be dropping it as much as people are requesting for it. Okay, so let me just end this party right here. I'll just end it right here for now. So let me close done. Okay, that means I'm done. See, I have one audience. I can go say hi to the fans. So that means people that follow me while I'm live, but I'm not here for that right now. So let me just go back. Okay, so because out of and once you have done your task, you click to receive it. Okay, so the more questions are coming, the more I'm going to create more video. As you can see, this recharge, I just recharged 49,000 coins. So if you click on recharge right here, it will bring your own. So my own, if I just click on recharge, it will tell you how much you can recharge. So I can go for 900 naira because I'm in Nigerian, or 2009. So whatever I click, but your first recharge, this is not what you see. Your first recharge will ask you that you get 500 coins extra. So you just click on it. Like me now, I have linked it with my Google. Okay, if I just click, I will purchase it. So that is where I will stop for now. I beg, no novice, I'll do more video, but it depends on how people like this video, how you drop a beautiful comment for me, how you subscribe, how you go follow my sister Kudi Dynasty and subscribe to her channel. Now waiting gonna make me to make more video be that. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.